Cognizant of the fact that achieving sustainable cooking is one of the great challenges of our time. Informed that an estimated 4 million premature deaths are caused each year by indoor air pollution caused by existing cooking practices still widespread in many parts of Southeast Asia, Latin America, and Africa. Having in mind that in Africa alone, the African Development Bank estimates that over 600,000 deaths per year are caused by existing practices, majority concentrated in sub-Saharan Africa. Do hereby give out my general outlook of the situation and its possible solutions. Clean cooking energy is a topic that impacts millions of lives, particularly in rural areas where traditional cooking methods are still prevalent. Specifically, I want to address the detrimental effects of the three-stone open fire cooking method, propose viable solutions, discuss the challenges we face, and articulate a vision for a healthier future. The negative effects of three-stone cooking. The three-stone cooking method, where an open fire is used with 3 stones to hold the pot, is a traditional practice that persists in many parts of the world. While it may seem simple and cost-effective, the negative impacts of this method are profound and far-reaching. Firstly, respiratory diseases are a significant concern. The World Health Organization estimates that exposure to smoke from open fires causes over 4 million premature deaths annually. The smoke contains harmful pollutants like carbon monoxide, particulate matter, and other toxic chemicals. These pollutants are inhaled by those cooking and their families, leading to chronic respiratory conditions such as asthma, bronchitis, and lung cancer. Women and children who spend more time near the cooking area are particularly vulnerable. Secondly, the environmental impact cannot be overlooked. The three-stone method is highly inefficient, requiring large amounts of food or biomass. This contributes to deforestation, which in turn leads to soil erosion, loss of biodiversity, and disruption of local ecosystems. Furthermore, the incomplete combustion of biomass releases significant amounts of carbon dioxide and black carbon into the atmosphere, exacerbating climate change. Proposed solutions. To address these issues, it is imperative to adopt clean cooking technologies. Improved cookstoves and clean fuels such as liquefied petroleum gas, biogas, and electricity offer viable alternatives. These technologies are designed to be more efficient, significantly reducing the amount of fuel needed and cutting down on harmful emissions. Additionally, solar cookers present a sustainable solution, especially in regions with abundant sunlight. They eliminate the need for any combustible fuel and produce no emissions, making them an eco-friendly option. Education and awareness campaigns are also crucial. Communities need to be informed about the health risks associated with traditional cooking methods and the benefits of transitioning to cleaner alternatives. This can be achieved through community outreach programs, workshops, and collaboration with local health workers and NGOs. Challenges. Despite the clear benefits, there are several challenges to widespread adoption of clean cooking technologies. One major hurdle is the initial cost. Many households in rural areas cannot afford the upfront investment required for improved cookstoves or clean fuels. Subsidies and financial assistance programs are needed to make these technologies accessible to all. The difficulty of finding cost-effective substitutes for traditional cooking fuels, notably wood and charcoal, is made even more challenging by a range of cultural, behavioral factors that hinder the adoption of alternatives. For many, the three-stone fire is not just a cooking tool but a part of their heritage and daily routine. Overcoming this cultural resistance requires respectful and sensitive engagement with communities, demonstrating the advantages of clean cooking without dismissing their traditions. Infrastructure limitations also pose a significant barrier. In areas without reliable access to electricity or fuel distribution networks, providing clean energy solutions can be logistically challenging. This necessitates investment in infrastructure development and innovative solutions tailored to local contexts. Additionally, there are supply chain issues. Ensuring a steady supply of clean fuels like LPG or the materials needed for improved cookstoves can be difficult, particularly in remote areas. This can result in interruptions in the availability of these technologies, undermining their adoption. Enhanced solutions. To mitigate these challenges, we must adopt a multifaceted approach. Governments can play a pivotal role by implementing supportive policies, offering subsidies, and providing financial incentives for the adoption of clean cooking technologies. Public-private partnerships can also be instrumental in developing and distributing these technologies. Microfinance schemes can provide low-interest loans to help households afford the initial cost of clean cookstoves and foods. Additionally, creating local manufacturing and distribution centers can ensure a steady supply and maintenance of these technologies, generating local employment and boosting the economy. Community engagement is essential to overcoming cultural resistance. This can be achieved by involving local leaders and influencers in advocacy campaigns, highlighting success stories from within the community, and integrating traditional practices with modern technologies. Vision for the future. My vision for the future is one where every household and learning institution has access to clean, safe, and sustainable cooking energy. This vision includes a world where no one suffers from respiratory diseases due to indoor air pollution, where forests are preserved and biodiversity thrives, and where communities are empowered with knowledge and resources to make informed choices about their health and environment. Achieving this vision requires a collective effort. Governments, NGOs, private sector partners, and communities must work together to develop and implement policies that promote clean cooking technologies. Financial institutions need to create affordable financing options for households to make the switch. In conclusion, the transition to clean cooking energy is not just an environmental or health imperative, it is a moral one. We have the knowledge, technology, and resources to make a difference. Let us commit to taking action today for a healthier, more sustainable, and equitable future for all. Thank you.